Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive into the best in beauty and self-care. Today, we're taking a close look at a product that's designed to bring relief and rejuvenation to some of the most neglected parts of our bodies, our feet. The product in the spotlight is Dr. Scholl's Dry, Cracked Skin Ultra-Hydrating Foot Mask, a treatment that promises to rescue dry, cracked skin and restore your feet to their natural softness. Dr. Scholl's foot mask is a specialized treatment designed to intensely moisturize and repair rough, dry skin. Each pack includes 3 pairs of moisturizing socks, which are infused with a powerful blend of ingredients like urea, essential oils, hyaluronic acid, shea butter, glycerin, macadamia, and coconut oil. These ingredients work together to deeply hydrate, heal, and rejuvenate your feet, making them feel soft, smooth, and revitalized. Now let's talk about the real-world usage experience. These moisturizing socks are incredibly easy to use. Simply slip them on and relax for 30 minutes. No mess, no fuss. Just let the ingredients work their magic while you enjoy some downtime. Afterward, you'll find that your feet feel noticeably softer and smoother, with the dry, cracked skin significantly reduced. Performance-wise, this product excels in delivering what it promises. Whether you suffer from chronic dry feet due to the weather, long hours on your feet, or just neglecting foot care, this foot mask provides intense hydration that penetrates deeply into the skin. I tested it after a long week of walking and standing, and the results were impressive. My feet felt significantly softer and looked much healthier. Of course, no product is perfect, so let's weigh the pros and cons. On the plus side, Dr. Scholl's ultra-hydrating foot mask offers a convenient, mess-free application and delivers noticeable results after just one use. It's also doctor-recommended, which adds an extra layer of trust. On the downside, the mask may not be ideal for those with allergies to any of the ingredients, so a patch test is advisable for sensitive skin types. In comparison to other foot masks on the market, Dr. Scholl's stands out for its blend of high-quality ingredients and the brand's long-standing reputation in foot care. While there are cheaper alternatives, many of them don't offer the same level of intense moisturization or the convenience of a no-mess application. If you're serious about foot care, this product offers excellent value for its price. Now, if you're finding this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest beauty and self-care reviews. Your engagement helps us continue bringing you content that makes a difference. In terms of build quality, the mask's materials, specifically the moisturizing socks, are well constructed and comfortable to wear. They don't tear easily and they fit snugly on your feet, ensuring that the hydrating ingredients stay in contact with your skin throughout the treatment. User-friendliness is another strong point. The masks are simple to use with no complicated setup required. You just wear them and relax. Perfect for those who want an effective treatment without any hassle. Regarding customer support, Dr. Scholl's has a solid reputation for being responsive and helpful, though I didn't need to contact them for this review. However, knowing that the product is backed by a company with a good track record for customer service is always a plus. In summary, Dr. Scholl's Dry, Cracked Skin Ultra-Hydrating Foot Mask is a fantastic option for anyone looking to restore moisture, heal dry skin, and improve the overall appearance of their feet. Whether you're on your feet all day or just want to pamper yourself, this mask is worth trying. Before we wrap up, I'd like to thank you for watching. You can find the link to get your own Dr. Scholl's foot mask in the description box below. And as always, feel free to leave any questions or share your own experiences with this product in the comments. I'd love to hear from you.